All right, so we are here again. So again, just a couple of dots when I'm looking at this. So one, this kind of area, I'm not exactly sure what we'd want to do here. I don't believe he's driving anything through here or anything, so this could potentially just be a rock bed. I feel like that's a waste, but that's just something to think about with this area. There's not much that he was planning here. Again, with this walkway, so this turf area is pretty squared off, and obviously the walkway would cut it and make it taper on this end. But with that, this patio area we have a lot of room to work with. And then again, if we only need to do a 14 seating patio deal, the rest of this I'm thinking would be rock. And then like I measured where this walkway that's spray painted out ends, but obviously I think it would probably keep walking. You'd probably keep walking to about who knows where exactly, but one thing to consider is if that's their seating area, I don't know if our pergola is going to be right on that corner, because then your view would be blocked at least a bit. So just some stuff to consider. Again, just one key thing about it is that this is all tapers pretty hard because he wants this turf to be the biggest portion. But yeah, that is